Hey there. Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Today, we're going to show you how to reset your Emerson thermostat. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or just want to start fresh, this guide will walk you through the steps. Before we start, please make sure your thermostat is turned off. Safety first. Step: turn off the thermostat. The first step is to turn off your thermostat. You can do this by pressing the power button until the display goes blank. If your model doesn't have a power button, turn off the system switch instead. Now that your thermostat is off, we can move on to the next step. Step 2. Remove the thermostat from the wall. Carefully remove the thermostat from the wall. Most Emerson thermostats will simply snap off, but if you have any trouble, refer to your user manual for specific instructions on your model. Once you have the thermostat in your hand, you'll see the reset button. It's usually a small recess button on the back or side of the thermostat. Step 3. Press the reset button. Using a paperclip or a pin, press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds. You'll know it's reset when the display flashes or resets. After you've held the reset button, release it and wait for the thermostat to reboot. This can take a few seconds. Step 4. Reattach the thermostat and turn it on. Once the reset is complete, reattach the thermostat to the wall mount. Make sure it clicks into place securely. Now, turn your thermostat back on by pressing the power button or flipping the system switch back to on. Your Emerson thermostat should now be reset and ready to use. Conclusion. And there you have it. Resetting your Emerson thermostat is a quick and easy process. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more home maintenance tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.